ठीक है, sign into Google Classroom, or maybe I will share the now I'm going to share that thing with you. ठीक है, I'm assigning the things. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now all of you please check your mail ID. The assignment has been scheduled. Assignment has been scheduled and time has been started. I will consider this 2-3 minutes. Okay, so 10:01 I have started. So you are going over there opening the CE part. So till that time I will consider it. Okay, 2-3 minutes more. Open up with the quiz.
Ma'am, I didn't get the link.
All of you are there? Why you are not in Google group? How many of you have received? Just 1 minute. Let me check once again. Just wait a minute. One minute. Now check mail ID, all of you. Check your mail ID. Check your mail ID. I have sent the Google Classroom link. Those who have not joined yet, join it. Henceforth, all the CEs will be on Google Classroom only, not on other platforms. Okay. Now, have you received Sangram, Ishwari Jadhav, Krinjal? What's the status? Have you received the mail? Okay. Okay. I hope now all of you are on C form. Okay. As this is the first CE, might be many of you are not on Google Classroom, so I will consider it's at 10:05 this time. Okay, so started at 10:05 and it will end at 10:20. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello.
Ma'am, it's showing unauthorized.
Why? problem with everyone? Because I can see. What's the problem with you? Why unauthorized? Have you logged in with other than VIT email ID?
No, ma'am. I am using official mail ID. Ma'am, I will try again.
Yes, try it because for others I'm not getting any errors.
सत्तर घुसून गेलो 2 मिनिटं.
अरे हे काय अगरबत्तीचं स्वच्छ करून जाईल तुला कसं करूया स्वच्छ
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, for that question, what unit performs addition and multiplication? Uh, Ma'am, I wrote the answer as arithmetic and logical unit, and in bracket I wrote ALU, but it has given me wrong answer. Hello. Am I audible?
Call it at your own. Okay. Now it's not the time to ask the questions. Whatever is the thing that you
Ma'am, it is showing me wrong answer. I wrote in bracket ALU and then wrote the long form also.
मॅम
yes.
दोन करेक्ट आन्सर्सला रॉंग येत आहे.
कुठे
मॅम क्वेश्चन सांगू शकतो का मी याच्यात रॉंग येत आहे.
नाही
मॅम पेज झाल्यानंतर विचारू शकतो का.
you will not discuss anything. You will start and you will submit the things. Rest, afterwards, when I will check the score at the time, I will check that. ठीक आहे.
मॅम कारण की फक्त वर्डिंगचं थोडंसं जास्त डिफरन्स आहे म्हणून ते रॉंग देत आहे पण आन्सर करेक्ट आहे माझं.
Hello. Yes, now I have closed the CE. Okay, 2 minutes before sharp at 10:20, I have closed it. In the class, I can see 56 students or 57, and in the CE part, total 65 students submitted the CE. So it is clear that actually I was not planning to send the what I can say. I was not planning to send the Google link on your group. Okay, but as because many of you have not registered, so because of that, okay, chalo, no issues. This was our first CE, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. And don't worry about the subjective questions because I have seen the answers from many of you. There is what I can say, if there is a question like I will take one question here. Okay, I will take one question here. For example, just 1 minute. I'm opening up. Okay. So, for example, which unit performs the addition and multiplication? Okay, which unit performs the addition and multiplication? So some of you have written ALU, some of you have written arithmetic logic unit, some of you have written in bracket ALU. So later on I will be considering this because I want only the answers like ALU or arithmetic logic unit, so I can able to correct the score, and today up to evening you will get the corrected score. अगर आपका wrong भी आया है वहाँ पे, so don't worry right now. Later on today when I will sit in the afternoon time and I will see that whoever has been given the correct answer, उनके आंसर के लिए ये मैनुअल चेक हमें फिर से करना ही पड़ता है, ठीक है? So we will do that manual change, ठीक है? So don't worry about it. And whether address bus is unidirectional or bidirectional, that also you will come to know because I hope you have to study and you will study the things in detail. Otherwise, might be with your score or itself you can able to analyze the things. In the next C part, I will make the arrangement when you submit the things. I will send the correct answers to you. Okay? In the from next C onwards, or we can discuss that in the class. Okay? Chalo, never mind. Let us start with the today's topic. Have you enjoyed this C? Have you enjoyed? Henceforth, all the C part will be in the class itself. Huh? Okay. Have you enjoyed the C? Okay. Okay. Actually, I have not seen. Yes. Chalo. Something new. Okay. 1 minute. Lights. Okay. Chalo. So yesterday we have completed up to the I think this was the yesterday's topic where we have completed the decimal representation and sign magnitude representation, 2's complement representation. Okay, so what Akshay has said, I will not add you to the Google group. You have to add it yourself. You have to write, ping the code, and then you have to get in. Okay, 3 times I have sent the code. So now you have to find out the code and you have to get in. Okay, it is already available on the WhatsApp group. It is already available on the Gmail. Okay, mail I have sent twice. So you may please find it out now and then get it added. जब तक आप गूगल क्लासरूम में ऐड नहीं होगे, अगर आप भी आपने गूगल क्लासरूम में बिना ऐड हुए अगर आपका स्कोर दिया है तो आपका स्कोर कंसिडर नहीं होगा अक्षय, क्योंकि आई विल बी कंसिडरिंग द असाइनमेंट्स व्हिच हैज बीन सेंट ओनली इन द गूगल क्लासरूम, नॉट इन अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स. ठीक है, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर यू इफ यू आर नॉट इन अ गूगल ग्रुप. So that's the point from my side. Chalo, let us begin with this. Okay. So today we are going to see the addition. Today we are going to see the addition. Okay. Now, when we are doing the addition, just so what is the addition? So addition is something when we are adding the first number and the last number. Okay. First number and the last number. So chalo, let us do the addition over here. 1 minute, I will rub the board. Chalo. Let's do the addition today. Okay, so binary addition. So when we are doing the binary addition, yesterday we have already seen the binary addition table for A and B. So this is the sum and this is the carry. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So 0, 0 is sum 0, carry is 0. 0, 1 is 1, carry is 0. 1, 0 is 1, carry is 0. And 1, 1 is 0, carry is 1. So this is how we will consider the addition of the table. Okay? Addition of the table. Now let's take first example. Okay? Let's take first example. Now take this 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? Get it added to 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay? Now, before going for addition, I will tell you this first example as how to solve it, and then rest of the examples you will solve and tell me the answers. Okay. Now, here, first of all, let us verify the things. Now, this is something here. You can see this is 101. So, MSB bit is having the 1. That means this is the negative number. So, this negative number is minus 8 and plus 1. So this number is minus 7. And if you see this number 1, 2, 4, that means this number is plus 5. So answer should be minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Now let us see whether I am getting the minus 2 answer or not. So let us find it out. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is answer is 0 and carry is 1. So answer is 0, carry is 1. 1, 0 is 1 and 1 0 is again 1. So there is no carry. Then here, if you see 0 1 is 1 and here 1 0 is 1. So whether this is -2, find it out. Whether this is -2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, and MSB is -8. So -8 plus 4 plus 2. -8 plus 4 is -4 plus 2. So this is -2. You got it? Okay, all of you clear with this? Okay, let's go for next sum. 1 1 0 0. This is the first number, and 0 1 0 0. This is the second number. Now you do the addition and tell me what is the answer. You do the addition, tell me what is the answer. Okay. 1 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 0. So 1 1 0 0 is which number? What is the number? 1 1 0 0. Yes, -4. Atharva, you are correct. Oh, Akshay is saying I am in a classroom, just not in Google Groups. Oh, I'm so sorry, Akshay. So for that purpose, you need to contact to the class teacher. Okay, I'm not the authority to add you in the group. I'm so sorry for misconception, but just contact your class teacher. Okay. Yes. Okay. Sorry once again. Chalo. So -4 and 0 1 0 0 is +4. So what the answers you are getting? So Akshay has, sorry, Akash has sent the answer. Sarthak, it's not only 0. It's 0 0 0 0. Yes. Okay. So Shreya also got the correct answer. Pranita also got the correct answer. Very good. Rest of the people, are you solving in your book? Yes. Pratiksha, correct. Ganesh, Mayank, very good. Yes, Sarthak, now you are correct. Pranav, Namrata, Aditya, Baba Saheb, Mayur, Yash. Yes, I think I'm getting most of the answers as 0 0 0 0. Anyone else who got the answer other than 0? Anyone else? No one. Okay. Get ready for next sum. Get ready for next sum. Oh. Next sum is 0 0 1 1 with 0 1 0 0. Find out. Okay. Very simple. Oh my God. I'm getting so much correct answers. What is 0 1 1 1? 0 1 1 1 is which number? Yes, +7. Arey, who said 3? Who said 3? Yes, +7 is the correct answer. Instead of 7, +7 is correct answer. Akash, why you wrote 3? 3 is the wrong answer. Okay. So here you have to write 0 1 1 1. So here you need to mention 0 0 1 1 is +3. 0 1 0 0 is +4, and so the answer is +7. Okay. Okay. Yes. I hope all of you have ओके 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 0011 के लिए आपने 3 लिखा था. ओके, perfectly fine. Get ready for next sum. चलो. So it's 1100 plus 1111. Okay. Chalo, get ready for this sum. Find out what is 1100. 1100 is -4. Who write 1100? Okay. Shreya, you have write down the answer. But don't forget to ignore the carry. Okay. So 110 is -4 and 1111 is, what is the answer? -1. Okay. So you must get -5. Okay. So 01 is 1. 01 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. And here 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. So you have to ignore this carry. Okay. So your answer is 1011. So that's -5. Don't forget to ignore the carry because this is the 4-bit addition. So this 4-bit will be get added to the 4-bit. So answer must be the 4-bit. If the addition is 8-bit, then you have to do the addition for 8-bit. Okay, the answer will be 8-bit then. Okay. Chalo. Ready for next? Ready for next? Okay. Let me give you one more. So it's 0101 plus 0100. Yes. When we are carrying, when we are ignoring the carry, at that time we say that this is the overflow rule. Okay, overflow rule. By overflow rule, ignore the carry. Likewise, you have to mention. Yes. Answer is 1001. Yes, I'm getting most 1001. All of you are very much correct. Okay. Now I will give you one twist question. Okay, let us see whether you can able to solve it. One twist question to you. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this question is giving 1001 and
Yes.
answer is +9. But on the MSB we are getting 1, so it must be negative, no?
No, not at all. Because, okay, because even though now here you have to, that is why here every time I'm writing this 0. Now the question was 0101 and I think it's 0100. So whenever you are adding +4 or +5 with +4, the answer is always +9. ओके अगर आप ये 1001 को निगेटिव कंसिडर करोगे तो ये -8 और +1 हो जाएगा, तो आंसर -7 हो जाएगा आपका. तो -7 आंसर इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग? इट्स रॉन्ग. So that is why here, okay, now these are the rules, the same I am telling you. Okay, just listen to me. Here when carry will be get generated, that is called as the overflow rule. ठीक है. So with this overflow rule, अगर overflow हो गया तो आपको carry ignore करना है. ठीक है. बट अभी ये हो गया एक बात. दूसरी बात ये बतानी है मुझे आपको कि यहाँ पे MSB पे ऑलवेज 1 होने से नंबर नेगेटिव नहीं हो जाता. ये MSB बिट हमें 1 कंसिडर कब करना है, ठीक है, कब करना है, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अभी यहाँ पे आप देखिए दोनों भी यहाँ पे 0 है, यानी दोनों भी नंबर आपके पॉजिटिव नंबर है. करेक्ट है. तो अगर आपके दोनों भी नंबर पॉजिटिव हो तो आपका आंसर कभी भी निगेटिव नहीं आएगा. दैट्स द जनरल मैथ्स. So here you have to consider that general math. There is no hard and fast rule. यहाँ पे अगर कोई नंबर नेगेटिव है तो इसी के लिए आपको ये वेरिफिकेशन मैंने, दिस इज योर वेरिफिकेशन टास्क, तो आपको ये हमेशा करना है एडिशन में. दिस यू हैव टू ऑलवेज डू फॉर द वेरिफिकेशन पर्पस. आर यू गेटिंग, आकाश? Okay, your question is always also the same. And who has asked me? Who has asked me the question?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलो नेक्स्ट सॉल्व करें हम लोग, ठीक है? चलो अभी मैं आपको एक ट्विस्ट क्वेश्चन देने वाली हूँ. अभी देखते हैं अभी आप सॉल्व करते हैं या नहीं, ठीक है? So it is 0011.01 plus 1010.10. Now you solve it. अभी आप यहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? तो सिर्फ एडिशन करना है. 10 is 1, 01 is 1, 0.10 is 1, 11 is 0, carry 1, 01 1, 101. So this is the answer. Simple. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे मुझे आपको एक सेंटेंस आप प्लीज लिख लेना यहाँ पे एडिशन में. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस 2 lines. These are very important lines. Okay, write down about the overflow rule. Everyone please write down about the overflow rule. Are you there? Okay, write down. If the 2 numbers are added, okay, please write down this. This is very important to understand the addition sums. Okay, this overflow rule is very important. Write down. If the 2 numbers are added and both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative, okay, both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative, then overflow occurs. Then overflow occurs if and only if the result has positive, that means sorry, result has the opposite sign. ठीक है? This is the about the overflow rule. What they said, आपने अगर 2 नंबर लिए हैं, दोनों भी नंबर पॉजिटिव है या दोनों भी नंबर नेगेटिव है, एट दैट टाइम आपका ओवरफ्लो होगा. कब होगा? when if and only if the result has the negative, that means opposite sign, not the negative, not the positive, opposite sign. ठीक है? Yes. Sorry, I'm not getting your voice.
Both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative, then we won't get opposite.
Pardon, I'm not able to hear you. Write it in chat box. If both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative, then ओके, वो जो पहले का सम है ना, दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव थे, वो एक सम लेते हैं हम लोग। Akash, if both the numbers are positive or negative, then the sign won't change, right? Okay. चलो, अभी मैं यहाँ पे आपको वही आपका जो पहला वाला सम था ना, +5 + 4 = 9, उसी के लिए मैं आपको ओवरफ्लो रूल बताती हूँ। ठीक है, व्हाट इज द ओवरफ्लो रूल? ओवरफ्लो रूल इज 0101, ये आपका नंबर था +5, ठीक है, और ये 0100, ये आपका सेकंड नंबर था +4, ठीक है। अभी यहाँ पे ओवरफ्लो कैसे हो रहा है और ओवरफ्लो रूल हम लोग कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू। तो हियर आंसर इज एक्चुअली 1001, सो आंसर इज +9। ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया, ठीक है। लॉजिकली दिस सम इज करेक्ट, ठीक है। अगर आप लॉजिकली इस सम को देखेंगे तो दिस इज करेक्ट, क्योंकि आई एम गेटिंग द +9 आंसर। सो हियर बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पे ये MSB बिट 1 है। अभी मैं ओवरफ्लो रूल आपको बता रही हूँ, ओके, जस्ट लिसन टू मी केयरफुली। तो अगर ये आपका MSB बिट 1 यहाँ पे है, तो इफ द बोथ द नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव और इफ द बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव, देन द रिजल्ट the overflow occurs only and only if the result has the opposite sign। अगर हम लोग इसको दूसरा एंगल से देखें, ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, तो ये हो गया -8, ठीक है, ये हो गया -8। तो यहाँ पे ये -8 और ये यहाँ पे ये +1, तो वैसे देखा जाए तो हमारा आंसर -7 आता है। लेकिन इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग इट एज अंडर दिस आंसर इनटू द ओवरफ्लो रूल, तो ओवरफ्लो रूल में क्या होता है ना, ओनली द साइन विल बी गेट कंसिडर्ड, क्योंकि यहाँ पे MSB बिट 1 है। तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे ओवरफ्लो रूल लगाती हूँ, तो हियर बाय डिफॉल्ट ये जो 1 है, इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द नेगेटिव साइन, बट हमारा आंसर ये +9 ही रहेगा, सिर्फ ये नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ पे कंसिडर होगा। तो ये कैसा है, ये मैथ्स है, और मैथ्स में तो +5 + 4 = +9 ही होगा, ये आंसर हमारा करेक्ट ही है। बट अगर हम लोग ओवरफ्लो रूल कंसिडर करेंगे, वो स्टेटमेंट कंसिडर करेंगे, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट स्टेटमेंट 2 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स का रिजल्ट ये ऑपोजिट होगा, तो ये निगेटिव होगा। बट हम लोग कहीं पे भी इसे निगेटिव मेंशन नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं सिर्फ बाय ओवरफ्लो रूल, हम लोग सिर्फ इतना लिख सकते हैं। अगर आपने ये यहाँ पे लिखा तो भी आपका आंसर गलत नहीं होगा, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ पे -7 करके लिखेंगे और लिखेंगे दिस इज बाय ओवरफ्लो रूल, तो ये आपका आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे ओवरफ्लो रूल आपको सिर्फ नेगेटिव साइन कंसिडरेशन के लिए है, बट आपका आंसर होगा +9। तो अगर ये मुझे लिखना है तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगी पता है, ये माइनस ये +9। एक्चुअली आंसर ऐसा लिखना चाहिए, बट हम कभी भी ऐसा आंसर नहीं लिखते, क्योंकि हमें ये मैथ्स में पता है फुल्ली कि ये माइनस +9, ये तो बाय डिफॉल्ट -9 हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो दैट इज द थियरी बिहाइंड द ओवरफ्लो रूल। आई होप यू माइट हैव क्लियर्ड इट। अभी मैं आपको और एक एग्जांपल बताती हूँ जो ओवरफ्लो रूल से हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। अभी ये दोनों नंबर हमने पॉजिटिव लिए थे ना, अभी दोनों नंबर हम नेगेटिव लिख के देखते हैं, ठीक है। चलो, ये 1001, तो ये हो गया आपका -7। फिर ये नंबर लेती हूँ मैं 1010, 1010 इज माई -6, ठीक है। अभी मुझे इसका एडिशन करना है, तो एक्चुअली -7, ठीक है, -7 प्लस -6, मेरा आंसर कितना आना चाहिए, -30, करेक्ट है। दिस शुड बी माई आंसर, ओके, दिस शुड बी माई आंसर। अभी इसका सम करते हैं हम लोग। 10 is 1, 01 is 1, 00 is 0, ठीक है, एंड 11 is 0 एंड कैरी आ गया आपका 1। अभी आप देखिए 4 बिट का एडिशन है, तो अगर मैं 4 बिट का एडिशन करती हूँ, तो 4 बिट का एडिशन में इतना ही कंसिडर करूंगी, तो मेरा आंसर क्या आया यहाँ पे 0011 एंड 0011 इज व्हाट, ये तो पॉजिटिव नंबर हो गया ना, यानी with the overflow rule, यहाँ पे apply the overflow rule. So with the overflow rule here, the two negative numbers and resultant is positive number. That means my answer is negative. Are you getting? This is the overflow rule. I hope all of you are clear with this. समझ में आया? Everyone? Everyone, did you got it? You got it? Am I there? Am I audible? Okay. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, so like in the first example, the answer logically should be +9. But if you use the binary term, it's got -7. So
Sorry,
overflow
I'm
rules.
not getting your voice.
No, I'll type it in the chat box.
Anybody else who is having any problem? Anybody else? I hope all of you are clear with the answers. Okay. Chalo. Okay, who is asking the question? Write down in the chat box fast. We know the answer is +9, but in binary form it comes as -7. So overflow rule says it's 9. Yes, correct. I'm only overflow rule is only to consider the sign, positive or negative. It doesn't concern with the answer. Okay. Yes. Okay. Chalo, I'm done from my side. I hope all of you are clear with your answers and clear with the concepts. So in the next lecture, we will start with the subtraction. Okay. So yes, all of you please mark your attendance in the chat box. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.
My status bar now in the card.
All of you done with your attendance? Mayur, why you have marked it 2 times? तुम्ही दोनदा मार्क केली तरी मी एकच अटेंडन्स लावणार आहे आजची. Chalo, all of you, have you done? I'm leaving the meeting. So later on you cannot mark your attendance. Harshada, Akash, Apekshit, have you marked? If you have marked the attendance, then leave. Yes.
Ma'am, could you overflow in next class.
I'm sorry, Akash, your voice is why not audible properly? I'm not getting your voice. Last 2-3 lectures from your side, there is no voice clarity, Akash. Please see what you can do. Harshada Kalbor, have you marked your attendance? No need of taking more examples on this overflow because in exam also hardly there is a one question on it. Okay, so rest we are having many more important points on which there are the surety of asking the questions. So we will go for it. Okay, you search it on the web, Akash, you will get more examples on overflow. Okay, it's just the rule where two positive number or two negative numbers, when we do it, so resultant is the negative number. Okay, or any opposite sign. Chalo, I'm ending up the lecture. Thank you so much. Okay, Akash, you find it, browse it. If you are not getting it, then just ping me up. Okay, chalo, bye, thank you.